Okay, class, in this video we're going to solve a homogeneous differential equation with Laplace transforms. So here's my IVP. So the first step is to find the Laplace transform. Okay, so we take the transform of both sides, and over here we use the things that were in our table. So we use the one for f double prime, okay, and that's going to give me s squared y. Remember, I'm not going to write of s because I don't want you getting confused. Okay, and then the s's go down, but the derivatives go up. That's how I can remember this. So this is going to be plus s times minus s times negative 1, and then minus 2. Okay, and then minus 3, and then the transform for y prime is sy plus 1. And then minus 4y, and the transform for 0 is 0. Okay, so what's the deal? So we're now in Laplace happy fun land, where we can basically solve for capital Y. So if I take everything that's got a y in it, and I'll keep it over here, that's going to be s squared minus 3s minus 4. Notice that's the characteristic polynomial. And then move everything else to the other side, so I've got this s, I've got a minus 2, and I'm also going to have a minus 3. So that's minus 3 times 1. So that's going to be minus s plus 5 when I move it to this side. So capital Y is then negative s plus 5 over s squared minus 3s minus 4. Okay, and then once again, we're still in Laplace happy fun land, so we're just going to do partial fractions for this. So this is going to be, notice the bottom factors, that would be s minus 4s plus 1. So this is going to give me a over s minus 4 plus b over s plus 1. And then common denominator with that side and setting it equal to the numerator, we get minus s plus 5 equals a s plus 1 plus b s minus 4. And we have our two nice values here that we plug in. So we plug in s equals negative 1, and we plug in s equals 4. So when s equals negative 1, that's 0. And I'm going to get negative 6 over here. So not negative 6. That's going to be 1 plus 5, so that'll be 6. And let's see, over here I'm going to get negative 5b. Okay. Alright, and then so b is going to be negative 6/5. Okay, so we let s equal 4, that makes the b term go away. And negative 4 plus 5 is 1. And that's going to equal 4a, so a is a fourth. 5a, sorry. A is 1/5. Okay, so rewriting that, we get that capital Y is 1/5 over s minus 4 plus negative 6/5 over s plus 1. Alright, and then we do the inverse transform of that, and we're going to be finished. So the inverse transform of capital Y, that's y of t. And this is just looking at the table, this is just the one for e. Both of them are. So this is going to be 1/5 e to the 4t minus 6/5 e to the minus t. And that's about the easiest one you're ever going to see.